When electricity flows through a bulb or a wire or anything, the electrons bump into things. When they bump into things, they give off energy, and it's harder for the electrons to flow. This is called resistance, and we're going to talk about it more because there's several formulas for resistance. But this is the first basic simple formula. It's called Ohm's law. So resistance, the symbol is R, and the units are ohms. So instead of using a letter to show what the unit is, we use this symbol here, an ohm symbol. Okay? V is the potential difference. We've seen that before. We call it sometimes voltage. The units are V for volts. I is the current. It's in amperes. So let's do a quick question. Simple formula to use. Find the resistance of a 30-volt bulb that draws 200 milliamps of current. First thing we've got to do is put our givens down. So find the resistance of a 30-volt bulb. So V equals 30 volts. It draws 200 milliamps. So that is current, because I know amperes is current. So it's 200 milliamperes. But the thing is, we can't use milliamperes, we have to use amperes. So milliamperes is like millimeters to meters, milliamperes to amperes, you divide by 1,000. Equals 0.2 amperes. If you have trouble with the conversion, I have a video on that, so you can check that out under our mathematical operations or something like that in the chart. Anyway, what do we want to find? We want to find the resistance, R. So, do I have a formula that relates R to V and I? Yeah, I do, right here. I put it in the form of one of these triangles like we've been doing for all the other formulas. R is equal to V divided by I. V is equal to R times I. And I is equal to V over R. But we're using in this form R, which is V over I. R is equal to V divided by I. R is equal to the voltage, 30, divided by the current, which is 0.2. And so R equals 150 when I put that through the calculator. And I use this symbol, the omega symbol, to represent the unit. So the resistance is 150 ohms. Let's move on to the next formula.